pH value is less than 7. For basic solution, pH value more than 7. For salts, that means neutral. For neutral solution, pH value that equal to 7. Equal to 7. Okay, right. That is the basic information. Already this information was given in previous classes. Now you take here some salts and find out the approximately pH values and nature of these salts. First of all, here how can you prepare the salts here? The neutralization reaction takes place between acid and base. When these acids and bases combines to each other, it forms salt and water. Salt and water. Okay. You take here some type of salts here. First of all, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. The formula is NaCl. Formula. This is formula of sodium chloride. Okay. Next. And then here type of salt here. This is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. And formula of the salt, that is NaCl. NaCl. Okay. Next salt is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate. The formula KNO3, that is potassium nitrate. Next salt is here aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride. That is formula of this aluminum chloride is AlCl3. Next, zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate. Next salt is zinc sulfate. That formula is ZnSO4. Next one, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Formula is CuSO4. CuSO4. Next one, sodium acetate. Like this. This is next. Go to sodium acetate. That is CH3COONA. That is sodium acetate. Next, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. That is the formula of this salt is Na2CO3. And sodium hydrogen carbonate. Last one it is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also called sodium bicarbonate also. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. The formula of the sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. That is the formula of the sodium hydrogen carbonate. These are given salts. Sodium chloride, that is NaCl, potassium nitrate, KNO3, aluminum chloride, AlCl3, zinc sulfate, that formula is ZnSO4, copper sulfate, that is CuSO4, sodium acetate, that is CH3COONA, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaHCO. Let us go to pH values. pH value of these salts. Right. So pH value of NaCl, that is equal to 7. That is equal to 7. So pH is equal to 7. So that is neutral. That is neutral. Next, KNO3. The value is 7. So next one here, acidic or basic nature. That means nature of the substance. Nature of the substance. Nature of the substance or salt. Nature of the salt. pH value equal to 7. That is neutral. That is neutral. This is also neutral. This is also neutral. So next one, aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride, that is here less than 7. Less than 7. So pH value for acidic solutions. For acidic solution, pH value less than 7. For basic solution, pH value more than 7. For neutral solution, pH equal to 7. pH equal to 7. Okay? Right. So here, for acidic solution, pH less than 7. For basic solution, pH greater than 7. For neutral solution, pH equal to 7. So you observing this here, sodium chloride, that means NaCl, that pH value is 7. pH value equal to 7, that is neutral. Neutral. Nature of the salt is neutral. It is also equal to the 7. So it is also neutral. So pH of the aluminum chloride. pH of the aluminum chloride less than 7. So less than 7 means here for acidic. This is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Next, go to zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate also pH value has a less than 7. Less than 7. So it is also acidic. Copper sulfate, it is also less than 7. It is also acidic. And sodium acetate, this is more than 7. More than 7 కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. So this is basic. This is basic salt. Basic salt. And sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate. This is having more than 7. So it is also basic. And sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is having also more than 7. It is also basic. It is also basic. So here pH value equal to 7, that is neutral. From this analysis, pH value equal to 7, that is neutral. So the salt is neutral. Nature of the salt. Nature of the salt here. This is also equal to 7, so that is also neutral. For aluminum chloride, pH value less than 7. So less than 7 means acidic. This is having acidic nature. Zinc sulfate, this is also less than 7, so it is also acidic. Copper sulfate, it is also less than 7, so it is also acidic. These both, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, these three salts are pH value more than 7. pH value more than 7. So these three having basic in nature. These three salts having basic in nature. Next one, acid used and base used. This is like this. Acid and base. And ఇక్కడ ఈ సాల్ట్ ఫామ్ కావడానికి ఏ యాసిడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాం, ఏ బేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనేది ఇక్కడ రిక్వైర్డ్, ఇక్కడ అవసరం అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. సో సాల్ట్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుందని చెప్పాం, యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేస్ అండర్గో న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్ అండ్ ఫామ్ సాల్ట్. acid and base. So how can you prepare NaCl? The NaCl is obtained from the HCl and NaOH and NaOH. That means for the preparation of NaCl salt, here HCl and NaOH. This is acid, this is base. These both are used in the preparation of NaCl. So NaCl ని ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలంటే ఏ యాసిడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం? HCl ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. బేస్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? NaOH. దట్ మీన్స్ HCl plus NaOH. HCl plus NaOH gives rise to here the reaction takes place between Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus and Cl minus. That means NaCl and H2O. NaCl and H2O. Okay, you take anywhere here, the reaction takes place between positive and negative pieces. Positive and negative. That means cation and anion. So in HCl, this is H plus Cl minus. H plus and Cl minus. It is splitting into H plus and Cl minus. And NaOH, sodium hydroxide. It is splitting into here Na plus and OH minus. Na plus and OH minus. When these both substances combine to each other, the reaction takes place between negative charge and positive charge. That means this is negative, this is positive. Okay, negative charge from the acid, positive charge from the base. So these Na plus and Cl minus, these combine to each other, then it forms NaCl. This is NaCl. Next, another reaction here, H plus and OH minus. This is basic reaction, H plus and OH minus. Okay, these both oppositely charged ions combine to each other. Here forms water, H2O. So here NaCl is formed. Okay, it is formed from the HCl and the NaOH. This is acid, this is base, right? So next one, potassium nitrate. For the formation of potassium nitrate, we are using acid is HNO3, nitric acid, and base is potassium hydroxide. Base is potassium hydroxide. When the reaction takes place between nitric acid HNO3 and potassium hydroxide takes place, this is HNO3 KOH. HNO3 splitting into H plus and NO3 minus. H plus and NO3 minus. KOH splitting into K plus and OH minus. So when these both substances, when combined to each other, it forms. That means the reaction takes place between K plus and NO3 minus. K plus and NO3 minus. That means here it is formed here KNO3, potassium nitrate and water. Potassium nitrate and water. So K plus and NO3 minus, KNO3 and water. So KNO3 formation. Okay, KNO3 formation. So in case HCl and NaOH, these both are strong acids. It is strong acid, it is strong base. So resulting salt is neutral. That means there is no acidic nature, there is no basic nature. So the pH value is equal to 7. pH value is equal to 7. And చూడండి, HCl is a strong acid. NaOH is a strong base. So resulting salt ఏ nature ఉంటుంది? Neutral. Why? Because pH value is 7. So pH equal to 7. That means neutral. So this is neutral. Here is also, this is also strong acid. This is strong base. Strong acid, strong base. These both are strong. Okay. In this condition, resultant salt is neutral condition, neutral. Okay, right. So next one. Aluminum chloride. For the formation of aluminum chloride, we using here HCl acid, hydrochloric acid, and base is aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide. So here HCl when combined with aluminum hydroxide, that means 3 moles of HCl, it forms AlCl3 plus here H2 water. Okay, right. So 3 H2O. So HCl is a strong acid. HCl is a strong acid, and aluminum hydroxide is a weak base. Strong acid and weak base. So resulting salt is acidic nature. Why? Because here చూడండి salt form కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? Salt and base రెండు మిక్సింగ్ కావాలి, రెండు కంబైన్ కావాలి. స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్, స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ రెండు స్ట్రాంగ్ కంబైన్స్ అయినప్పుడు అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయ్యేటటువంటి సాల్ట్ కి న్యూట్రల్ కండిషన్, దట్ మీన్స్ న్యూట్రల్ నేచర్ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. దేర్ ఇస్ నో అసిడిక్, దేర్ ఇస్ నో బేసిక్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్ అండ్ వీక్ బేస్. ఇది స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్, ఇది వీక్ బేస్. ఈ రెండిల్లో ఏదైతే స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుందో ఆ నేచర్ సాల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. అది ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఏంటి? యాసిడ్. సో ఈ అల్యూమినియం క్లోరైడ్ కి సమ్ అసిడిక్ నేచర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. అసిడిక్ లైక్ దిస్. Aluminum chloride having acidic nature, this pH value is less than. Acidic nature ఉన్నప్పుడు pH value ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Less than 7. pH value less than 7. This is less than 7. Okay, strong acid and weak base. So resulting salt having acidic nature. Next, zinc sulfate. It is used for acid is sulfuric acid and zinc hydroxide. So this is a strong acid. Sulfuric acid is strong acid. This is weak base. Strong acid, weak base రెండు కంబైన్ అయినప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి? జింక్ సల్ఫేట్. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఏంటి? యాసిడ్. ఓకే, ఈ అసిడిక్ నేచర్ ఈ సాల్ట్ కి వస్తుంది అన్నమాట, జింక్ సల్ఫేట్ కి. కాబట్టి అసిడిక్ నేచర్ అంటాము, less than 7. So next one, copper sulfate and copper hydroxide. This is sulfuric acid, that means strong acid. This is weak base. Strong acid ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ 3 అల్యూమినియం క్లోరైడ్, జింక్ సల్ఫేట్, కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్, ఈ 3 సాల్ట్స్ కి యాసిడ్ మాత్రం స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంది, బేసెస్ వీక్ గా ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఈ 3 సాల్ట్స్ కూడా ఏ నేచర్ వచ్చింది? అసిడిక్ నేచరే వచ్చింది. అంటే ఏది స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే దానికి ఆ నేచర్ వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సోడియం అసిటేట్. యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ అసిటిక్ యాసిడ్, బేస్ ఈజ్ sodium hydroxide. So in that condition this is weak acid, this is strong base. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ఇప్పుడు వరకు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ టూ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లో both two strong. That means this is strong acid, this is strong base. Strong acid, strong base, both are strong. So NaCl, it is a neutral, KNO3 also neutral. Why? Because both acid and base both are strong కాబట్టి. ఇక్కడ ఈ 3 కండిషన్స్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. అల్యూమినియం క్లోరైడ్, జింక్ సల్ఫేట్, కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్. These 3 substances having here acidic nature. Why? Because for the formation of these 3 salts we using the strong acid here. Strong acid, weak base. Strong acid, weak base. Strong acid, weak base. Okay, in these 3 conditions strong acid are used here, weak base. So ఈ రెండులో స్ట్రాంగ్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ యాసిడ్ బేస్? యాసిడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్, స్ట్రాంగ్. సో ఈ నేచర్ ఈ 3 సాల్ట్స్ అనేది వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. But ఇక్కడ చూడండి sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is formed from the acetic acid and the sodium hydroxide. Acetic acid, it is a weak acid. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. So in between both acid and base, which one is strongest one here? Base. Base strong ga undi, acid weak ga undi. So resultant salt ki basic nature వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. అంటే ఈ రెండులో యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేస్ లో ఏది స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే దాని నేచర్ ఆ సాల్ట్ అనేది వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సోడియం కార్బోనేట్, దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ H2CO3, carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. So in between also this is weak acid, this is strong base. Weak acid and strong base. So ఇక్కడ రెండులో స్ట్రాంగ్ ఏంటి? బేస్ స్ట్రాంగ్. కాబట్టి ఈ సాల్ట్ కి ఏ నేచర్ ఉంది? బేసిక్ నేచర్. కాబట్టి మోర్ దాన్ 7. సోడియం హైడ్రోజన్ కార్బోనేట్. సో it is also carbonic acid and NaOH. Here weak acid and strong base. ఇక్కడ కూడా స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ ని యూజ్ చేసాం. కాబట్టి ఈ సాల్ట్ కూడా సోడియం హైడ్రోజన్ కార్బోనేట్ having also basic nature, its pH value is more than 7. Okay, right. So totally what is our conclusion here? Generally the salt formation takes place here when reaction takes place between acid and base, then salt and water are formed. So acid and base ఇవి రెండు కంబైన్స్ అయినప్పుడు సాల్ట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. మరి అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి సాల్ట్ కి ఏ నేచర్ ఉంటుంది? అసిడిక్ నేచరా, బేసిక్ నేచరా, లేదా న్యూట్రల్ గా ఉంటుందా అనేది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ది స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది యాసిడ్ ఆర్ బేస్. For suppose both strong acid and strong base, okay, undergoes neutralization, then it forms here neutral salt. And strong acid and weak base, the resultant salt having acidic nature. Weak acid and strong base, resultant acid having basic nature. Okay, ఒకసారి టేబుల్ మొత్తం నోట్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాత కొంచెం డీటెయిల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. వెరీ సింపుల్, యు టేక్ సమ్ సాల్ట్, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminum chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. These are all formulas of these salts. So these pH value. This pH value depends on the strength of acid or base. Okay, strength of acid or base. Actually, NaCl, for formation of NaCl, we requiring here strong acid, strong base, that is HCl and NaOH. Both are strong, so that is neutral. Here is also for formation of KNO3, using HNO3 and KOH. Both are strong acid, strong base. So that is also neutral. Then these both having pH value equal to 7. Next, go to aluminum chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate. So for aluminum chloride here, using HCl and aluminum hydroxide. It is a acid, it is a base. It is a strong acid, it is a weak base. In between acid and base, which one is strongest here? Acid is strongest. So this salt leads to here acidic in nature. Okay. For formation of zinc sulfate, sulfuric acid, zinc hydroxide are used. So sulfuric acid is a strong acid, zinc hydroxide is a weak base. So this is strong one. So acidic nature. Okay, pH value less than 7. Next, sulfuric acid, copper hydroxide. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid, which is a weak base. ఈ రెండులో స్ట్రాంగ్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ యాసిడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, కాబట్టి ఈ సాల్ట్ కి అసిడిక్ నేచర్ వచ్చింది. pH value less than 7. Next, go to next salt, sodium acetate. This is formed from the acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. In between acid and base, this is weak acid, this is strong base. Weak acid, strong base. So the resulting salt having basic in nature, the pH value is more than 7. Okay, next come to the sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. In both here, carbonic acid and NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Carbonic acid is a weak acid, which is a strong base. So వీటికి బేసిక్ నేచర్, అంటే ఏది స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే ఆ నేచర్ వస్తుందమ్మా సాల్ట్ కి. ఇప్పుడు యాసిడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంది, అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయ్యే సాల్ట్ కి అసిడిక్ నేచర్ వస్తుంది. వీక్ యాసిడ్ గా ఉండి బేస్ స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉందనుకోండి, ఆ సాల్ట్ కి బేసిక్ నేచర్ వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, నీట్ గా ఇది టేబుల్ అంతా వేసేసుకోండి. Okay, next one. Some more information for the pH values of substance, that means salt. Right. So, salts are formed from the acid and bases. That means neutralization reaction. Okay, once again, I briefly explained for this formation of the salt. Acid when combined with base, it forms salt and water. Salt and water. Okay. For example, this is a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Right. For example, acid is a strong acid. Strong acid. And strong acid and weak base. Sorry, strong base. Strong acid and strong acid. Strong base. Strong acid and strong base when undergoes, that means combines to each other, then it forms here salt. Salt and water. Salt and water. So, when strong acid and strong base combines to each other, it forms salt. Okay. These salt having neutral in nature. Neutral. This is neutral. This is neutral. In that case, pH value equal to 7. In that case, pH value of the salt is neutral. That means equal to 7. So that is this pH value equal to 7. Okay. For example, HCl and NaOH. HCl and NaOH. It is a strong acid. It is a strong base. Strong base. Here it forms NaCl and water. NaCl and water. Already I explained this example here. HCl is a strong acid. NaOH is a strong base. So resulting salt is NaCl. NaCl which has neutral in nature. This is neutral. So this pH value equal to 7. Next you take here sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid when combined with potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. So here sulfuric acid is a strong acid. Strong acid. And KOH is a strong base. So resulting in salt is potassium nitrate and water. This is potassium nitrate. This is also neutral in nature. That there is no acidic nature, there is no basic in nature. So it has a neutral in nature. Then pH equal to 7. pH equal to 7. Okay. Strong acid and strong base combines to each other. It forms neutral salt. The salt which is having neutral in nature. Then pH value equal to 7. So these are examples for this statement, for this reaction. Right. So next one it is, next one. The reaction takes place between strong acid and weak base. Strong acid and weak base. So let us say here, You take these two examples. You take strong acid and weak base. Weak base. Then it is also give salt and water. So the resulting salt having acidic nature, which is acidic salt. Why? Because the salt is obtained from the or formed from the strong acid and weak base. In between acid and base, which one is strongest here? Acid is strong. So this nature is appears in the salt. అంటే ఈ రెండల్లో ఏదైతే స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటుందో దాని నేచర్ ఈ సాల్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో యాసిడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ కదా, బేస్ వీక్. సో ఇది స్ట్రాంగ్ కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయ్యే సాల్ట్ కూడా ఈ నేచర్ అంటే అసిడిక్ నేచర్ అనేది వస్తుంది. సో దెన్ pH value less than 7. pH value less than 7. That means like this. pH value less than 7. So you take some examples. Strong acid means HCl. Weak base means aluminum hydroxide. Already you see these examples also. It forms, it is strong acid, it is weak base. AlCl3, aluminum chloride salt and water molecule. Aluminum chloride and water. Okay. So this salt has acidic in nature. Why? Because it forms from the strong acid and weak base. So ఈ రెండులో acidic strongness ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ నేచర్ ఈ సాల్ట్ వస్తుంది. Then pH value of aluminum chloride is less than 7. That is example. You take any example, sulfuric acid and zinc hydroxide, sulfuric acid and copper hydroxide. You take any example. Already I given in this table. A table already మనం రాసాము. వాటిని మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాం అన్నమాట. So next one. So another one. For example, in salt formation from weak acid and strong base. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, యాసిడ్ వీక్, బేస్ మాత్రం స్ట్రాంగ్. ఇక్కడ సాల్ట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కదా, సాల్ట్ ప్లస్ వాటర్. So these have basic in nature. The salt having basic in nature. Then this pH value more than 7. pH value more than 7 or greater than 7. So that means weak acid means carbonic acid. Acetic acid is very simple example. Acetic acid CH3COOH plus NaOH. This is weak acid, this is strong base. Here CH3COONA, sodium acetate and water. Acetic acid and sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium acetate and water. So this is having basic in nature. Why? Because it is formed from the weak acid and strong base. Okay, right. In these combination, base it is a strong, it is a weak. So the strongness is appearance in the salt. అంటే ఏది ఈ రెండల్లో ఏది స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటే ఆ నేచర్ సాల్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ యాసిడ్ వీక్, బేస్ స్ట్రాంగ్. సో ది స్ట్రాంగ్నెస్ అనేది సాల్ట్ కి వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి ఇదేమవుతుంది, బేసిక్ నేచర్. ఓకే, ది సాల్ట్ when formed from the strong acid and strong base, then salt is neutral. Suppose some strong acid and weak base నుంచి ఫామ్ అయితే ఆ సాల్ట్ కి అసిడిక్ నేచర్ ఉంటుంది. At the same time here weak acid and strong base అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయిన సాల్ట్ కి బేసిక్ నేచర్ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. రైట్. ఇవి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అండ్ pH వాల్యూస్ కూడా. సో టోటలీ I repeated again here. It is very simple. Strong acid and weak base. Here, salt and water is formed. This salt having acidic nature. Acidic, then pH value less than 7. Less than 7. And right, weak acid and strong base. Weak acid and strong base. So then it is formed salt here plus water. In that condition, this is basic in nature. Its pH value more than 7. pH value is more than 7. Right. So, in case strong acid and strong base. So, this salt and water are formed here. So, this is neutral. pH value equal to 7. That means for acidic solution, pH value less than 7. For basic solution, pH value more than 7. And for neutral solid, pH is equal to 7. Okay, right. So totally, pH values of salt will depend on the strength of the acid or base. Okay, that is pH. So once again here, the pH means it is scale for the measuring of hydrogen ion concentration in aqueous solution. Aqueous solutions లో H+ ion concentration explain చేయడం కోసం ఈ pH scale ని SPL Sorensen ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు. pH is equal to minus log H+ ion concentration. pH is equal to what is here? Minus log H+ ion concentration. That means the negative logarithm of H+ ion concentration. Okay, you take more number of salts here. Okay, if salt ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఫామ్ అవుతుందంటే యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేస్ నుంచి ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Both acid and base both are strong. Then salt is neutral in nature. Strong acid, weak base, then salt in acidic in nature. Then pH value less than 7. Weak acid, strong base, that is salt is basic in nature. pH value more than 7. Right. So next go to here, chemicals from common salts. So generally, in general, salts are ionic compounds. Salts are the ionic compound. Okay. These are formed from the acid and bases. That means neutralization reaction. Okay, it is produced by the neutralization of acid with base. These are formed by the neutralization of acid with bases. For examples, number of examples చూస్తాం కదమ్మా. యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేసెస్ రెండు న్యూట్రలైజ్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సాల్ట్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో salts are electrically neutral. Salts are electrically neutral. That means there is no charge on any salt here. For example, here NaCl, there is no charge either positive or negative. Okay, after it undergoes ionization, it forms Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, before ionization it is electrically neutral. And sodium carbonate and copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, etc. These are all salts. These are electrically neutral. These are electrically neutral. So here the number of salts are given here, but this sodium chloride is a most important one. Sodium chloride is a most important and common denominator here. This is also called here table salt. Table salt. Table salt or common salt. Table salt or common salt. Okay, very more number of salts unnappadiki sodium chloride is a very most important thing here. So it is also called table salt or common salt. It enhances the taste of food or increase the taste of food. మన ఫుడ్ లో మనం తినేటటువంటి ఫుడ్ లో ఈ సాల్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటా ఉంటాం. ఈ సాల్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, టేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, అంటే ఫుడ్ ఇంకా టేస్టీగా ఉండేటట్లుగా చేస్తుంది. ఈ సాల్ట్స్ అనేటివి డిపాజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్స్ present in this world here. Okay, these deposition of large crystals are often brown, that means impurities. So ఈ deposits లో impurities ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మనకు brown color లో కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. So these are also called as here rock salt. Okay, right. So from these common salts, from this common salt, a large number of remaining chemicals are, produced here. So ఈ కామన్ సాల్ట్ యూజ్ చేసి రిమైనింగ్ కెమికల్ సాల్ట్స్ ని అంటే ఎక్కువగా కెమికల్ సబ్స్టాన్సెస్ ని మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ సోడియం కార్బోనేట్, సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్. ఓకే, సోడియం దట్ మీన్స్ సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్, ప్లాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ప్యారిస్, ఇలాంటి కెమికల్స్ ని మనం ఈ కామన్ సాల్టింగ్ ఎక్కువ మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ టాపిక్ ని టుమారో క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఈ మాత్రం డే టు డే ఏ రోజు అయింది ఆ రోజు కంప్లీట్ చేసేసుకోవాలి, నీట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఎగ్జామ్ పెట్టినప్పుడు 100% అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? కొన్ని నేర్చుకోకుండా ఉండడం అట్లా ఉండకూడదు, కంప్లీట్గా చదవాలి. చదివిన తర్వాత దాన్ని నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ రఫ్ బుక్ పెట్టుకొని నీట్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి. సో ఎగ్జామ్ రాసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఈజీగా గుర్తొస్తాయి, ఎక్కువగా మార్క్స్ వస్తుందని ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. రైట్.